Step into luxurious living at Yugo Tucson Campus, the one-stop student accommodation in exciting Tucson, offering lavish 2 to 5-bedroom apartments, opulent studios, and charming en-suite and non-en-suite options with private or shared bathrooms, in-unit washer and dryer so you can skip laundromat runs, a mounted TV for a world of entertainment at your fingertips, and an exquisite kitchen with quartz countertops. When essential utilities are included in your rent, say goodbye to surprise bills, smash fitness goals in the gym, or dive into the sparkling pool for some laps, then sweat it out in the sauna. Enter focus mode in the study room, perfect for academic success. There's also parking available for your wheels. Turn the commute to class into quick cardio with a brisk walk to the University of Arizona and Pima Community College, a few minutes away. Adventures around the city are limitless when Euclid and Speedway bus stops are a couple minutes away. So, book your spot at Yugo Tucson Campus now and make the most of student life with amberstudent.com.